Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we got a new unboxing video, and today we got a monster truck. So this is the team associated MT12 monster truck. So it is 1/12 scale and it's ready to run. So this is actually the first monster truck on the channel. I wanted one for a while. I don't know why I still haven't got one, but here it is. This is the first one. That looks sick. I like the color red. Red looks pretty cool on it. Dang, look how deep the rims are. So yeah, the grill is not a sticker. It's actually, you know, plastic. So you can't put lights on the light bar, but you have to buy it separately. Yeah, overall the look of it is sick. So you get your charger, your battery. That's just pretty cool. So everything's included. The only thing is you need batteries for the remote. You got your manual, and then so you do get mirrors, but we're not gonna put it on since it's probably gonna be rolling over, so we'll just leave it. So you just got a brushed MT380 motor. All right, so I'm gonna go charge up the battery, and while it's charging, I'm gonna build some jumps for this thing. So we just made a little jump, and we brought some little fans over to see if we could jump over them. So we got a Bronco, a Subi, and 2 Jeeps. Yeah, this thing is pretty fun. It's not the fastest monster truck, so here's full speed. So I mean, it still goes. So let's see if we can pop a wheelie. Yep, probably gonna have to go back and then wheelie. Almost, come on. There we go. Kind of curious if it's gonna do a backflip, so I'm gonna go put a box right here right before the jump, maybe make the jump a little bit smaller, and then we're gonna see if we could do a backflip. Oh, nice! Almost landed. Dude, that was a clean one right there.
Wait a minute.
Now I see why people buy a monster truck, because this thing is pretty cool. I know there's some other ones, bigger ones, so man, I might have to start buying more monster trucks because they're pretty fun. Oh, we landed right on top. Oh, nice. This is our red ramp that we usually use for like X-Mex and stuff. Let's see if we even go on it. Oh, it did. I'm actually kind of surprised because it is on a hill and it's pretty steep, but it did it pretty well. Battery's finally dying. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna have to get some more monster trucks now. But thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.